Former Minister Mosharraf Hossain sent to jail. Dhaka court today sent former Housing and Public Works Minister Engineering Mosharraf Hossain to jail in a case filed over the death of BNP activist Muqbul in the Fulton area of the capital on December 7, 2022. Dhaka Additional Chief Metropolitan Magistrate MD Jahidur Rahman passed the order after police produced him before the court seeking confinement in jail, said a court staffer. On September 30, Mahfuzur Rahman, a BNP activist, filed a case with Fulton Model Police Station against 256 police, including former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina and 700 unnamed persons over the killing of Muqbul. Detectives today arrested Mosharraf, also former Awamu League lawmaker for Chattogram 1 from Dhaka Bosundara residential area.